Tired of boring bathroom routines? Upgrade with the LUXE Bidet Neo 120. Reason 1. Experience next-level hygiene with a self-cleaning nozzle. Nozzle retracts and stays protected after every use. Super sanitary. Reason 2. Save money and trees by using less toilet paper. Gentle water cleaning is better for your skin and the planet. Reason 3. Installation is a breeze. No tools or electricity needed. Fits most standard toilets, so anyone can upgrade in minutes. High-quality metal ceramic valves and steel hoses mean long-lasting durability. Sleek, modern design instantly elevates your bathroom's look. Guard gate keeps the nozzle clean and protected between uses. Adjustable water pressure for a comfortable, personalized clean every time. All parts included, no extra trips to the hardware store. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month warranty and great customer care. Ready for a cleaner, greener bathroom experience? Tap the link, grab your LUXE Bidet Neo 120, and upgrade today.